Let's look now at Learning Objective 2-1, which says make a frequency table for a set of data. So a frequency table as defined in your textbook is a grouping of qualitative data into mutually exclusive classes showing the number of observations in each class. Or in casual language, we would just say it's a table that shows the frequency of data values in the same size intervals. Now I want to point out here qualitative data. So according to your textbook, you'll recall that qualitative variable is non-numeric, okay? And so there's qualitative and quantitative. We are focusing on the qualitative, non-numeric data. So let's take a look at an example of making a frequency table. If you make a frequency table showing the grades for Mr. Bowser's algebra students, here are their grades listed here. And I will show you how I go about making this chart. First, we are going to title this column as grades. And then we're going to get another one, which is going to be the number of students. Okay, this is our frequency. So now we've got two columns. Our grades, you can have an A, B, C, D, or an F. So let's go through and count our number of A's, and I'm going to cross them off as I do it. This is a way that I can just check and make sure that I haven't missed any. So we have 1, 2, 3 A's. Right, next let's do B's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has 6. For C, 2, 3, 4 C's. I see quickly that we have 1 D and 1 F. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and double check my work by totaling this. So we'll draw a line under here. 3 and 6 is 9, 9 and 4 is 13, 14, 15. So I get a value of 15 here. Let's just double check up here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. I'm just going to write that this is the total so that we know. And that is how you make a frequency table.